Hey, you. Sorry I'm late.
No rush.
Oh, but happy birthday.
Thanks. So, did you have a fun night last night?
It's good. It's a good night. Just had some Chinese food, and then finished it off with a bottle of red.
Oh. So, you stayed in then?
Yeah, girly night. You would have hated it. Oh, and Brittany. Always complaining about her boyfriend, per usual. Anyway, so how's your night?
I felt better.
Aw, why?
Just felt a bit sick. That's all.
Oh no, you should have phoned me.
I love you so much.
Oh, babe, I love you too.
And I could have been fine without you. I mean, I'd be fine if we never met. You know what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Because I want you to know this for the rest of your life. That all of this was your fault.